100 miles per hour. A cloud of thousands of microscopic droplets traveling 30 feet in an instant. You think it's just a symptom. No, a sneeze is a biological reset button, and your body just hit eject. Known scientifically as sternutation, a sneeze is a high-pressure coordinated strike. When irritants tickle the lining of your nose, your brain triggers a massive involuntary contraction of your chest muscles. It forces air from your lungs at near hurricane speeds to clear the nasal cavity. It's so powerful that your eyes shut instinctively to prevent the pressure from affecting them. But here's the twist. It's not just dust, it's clearing. This is a sophisticated defense mechanism designed to blast out pathogens before they can settle in. Your body isn't just reacting to the irritant. It's deploying a physical shockwave to protect your lungs from an invading army of viruses. It's not a cold. It's an eviction notice.